So we've already talked about Meta, Google, and Samsung's AI and AR glasses. Now, let's look at what Apple's actually planning in this space. According to Bloomberg's reporting, Apple is ramping up work on a simpler pair of smart glasses. These wouldn't have built-in displays projecting graphics in front of your eyes. Instead, they're expected to rely on cameras, microphones, speakers, and deep AI integration to understand what you're looking at and respond through audio. You're walking down a street, you ask about a place you see, you're looking at a product, you ask for details. It's more about awareness and assistance than visual overlays. That version is reportedly aiming for production in late 2026, which points to a possible 2027 launch. Now, the 2028 timeline, that's likely referring to the more advanced version, the true AR glasses, the ones with actual displays built into the lenses that can overlay digital content onto the real world. That's way more complicated. You're talking ultra tiny displays, serious battery constraints, thermal management, weight balancing, and Apple level polish on top of all that. That kind of product taking longer makes complete sense, but glasses are just one part of the story. Bloomberg also mentioned Apple exploring something called an AI pendant. Basically a small wearable device you wear around your neck. It would act as a personal AI companion, always listening, possibly always observing, understanding context around you throughout the day. It's like Apple building ambient intelligence before jumping fully into AR. Then there are AirPods. There are reports that Apple is working on AirPods with cameras. Not for taking photos, don't worry. The idea is spatial awareness. Tiny sensors could help the system understand gestures, head movement, or environmental context. That could tie directly into devices like Apple Vision Pro and future spatial products. If you step back, it starts to look like a bigger strategy. Instead of betting everything on futuristic AR glasses right away, Apple might roll out AI-powered wearables first, glasses without displays, pendants, camera-equipped AirPods, and slowly build the ecosystem around contextual computing. So 2027 is likely about smart glasses with AI features, 2028 or later is likely about true AR glasses with built-in displays. And in between, Apple could reshape how its wearables work by turning them into intelligent sensors around you. It's less about one product launch and more about Apple quietly building an AI hardware layer you wear every day. Peace.